बेटे मैं लाइन सेगमेंट में बात करूंगा आपके साथ। ये लाइन सेगमेंट, sometimes the one is not interested in the entire line, but rather some segment of a line. The parametric equation of a line segment can be obtained finding a parametric equation for the entire line, then restricting the parallel parameters approximately so that only the desired line segment is erected. Means to find a line segment with the help of the line where you have some given condition. See this example for find a parametric equation describe the line segment joining the point this point and this point. Okay, so we already discussed example 2. From example 2, corresponding given 2 points, we have equation of line. This one. These equations that the point P1 correspond to t equals to 0 and point t equals to 1. The line segment joining P1 P2 is given by. We already discussed this example, but situation is here. The line segment corresponding to line 1 is t equals to 0 and point number 2 on P2 or t equals to 1. Because we already discussed this one, this is this one, example 2. This is your example 2. Okay, we already discussed this one. So we find this vector and then first time this is a 2 point to find the equation this. Another way, point P2 and parallel vector is this. The equation is this. After the some calculation, we obtain these equations. From there we find this relation and we directly conclude that what is choice for this example. Okay, so this is your desired condition. Okay, given condition on a line segment with the help of given two vectors. Okay, to see this vector equation of a line. See, if your vector is such a form and 2 space and vector in this form in 3 space. This may be written as this may be written as or this may be written as. Okay, so this means equation 2 the form is R is this and R naught is this and V is this. From equation 3, R is this, R naught is this and V is this. So what it means this is a vector position and this is a vector pass through the given condition. Respectively, this is the formula. Equation of a vector of a line in 2 space or 3 space accordingly and V is a vector. Okay, this is as your actual formula is one. Vector equals to R naught vector plus T times V vector. So see this diagram. This position, this is the R naught vector. This is V vector. And join the 2 points. Join 2 points means you draw this one parallel vector. You draw this parallel and meet this point. This is T time of V. T is the parameter whose value minus infinity to plus infinity. So means you join this point. This is your V vector. This is R equals to R naught plus TV. Now see this example 5. Vector form is given. This is given. This is given. This is your R. This is R. This is R naught. This is T. This is V. Means we compare this with the help of this one. So means R naught is this, V is this. Okay, the equation represent line, three space passing through the point, this one, and parallel vector is this one. So means this is a question given on a three space. Okay, now see example 6. Find an equation of a line in three space that passes through the point, this point, and this point. You know very well, here is origin not a given. Means base point is not a given. So means we have considered find a vector with the help of P1, P2 position. So vector P1, P2 is equals to position of P2 minus position of P1. This means this one. And you choose as this is a parallel vector. Okay. The equation of vector is R equals to R naught plus T times V. This is your V. Actually, this is your V. Okay. You maybe write it another way. If you choose this point is R naught. Choose this point R naught. So then here from 5, comma 0, comma 7 plus T times this. Okay. Uh, you see this exercise. You try question number 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 14, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 37 to 38.